Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the CeraVe SA Lotion for rough bumpy skin 8-ounce vitamin D hyaluronic acid salicylic acid lactic acid lotion fragrance free. Honestly, the CeraVe is better from a performance of lotion and how it treats your skin. Please don't change the formula. Most lotions and cleansers make me itchy or break out. Put it on at night, in the morning, and right after shower before dry to lock in the moisture. This lotion is light, it sinks into the skin well and doesn't smell at all. Our dermatologist recommended this product for our daughter. She has dry bumpy acne keratosis pilaris on the back of her arms. If you see yourself breaking out a little more but your skin overall feels smoother, the letters is the trick, since without it is worthless for the purpose. It is great for extremely dry or cracked skin, especially for folks in the healthcare field who wash their hands a lot. Put this around your ankles and feet for smooth, nice feet. Will look great in summer sandals. It has no smell, absorbs quickly, isn't greasy or sticky, and leaves no residue. Went to order more and found out in 2 months the price jumped by 33. By all means, it does not clear up the skin problem, but it does help keep it at bay. It comes out slightly thick but is absorbed quickly into the skin, leaving it moisturized but not oily. While it helps a little, it doesn't work as well as another product he later prescribed with glycolic acid. This lotion outperforms them all and is also great for getting smooth legs and feet. Unlike other skin renewing lotions from other brands, this one is definitely better and is less greasy. CeraVe absorbs fast, leaves no greasy or sticky residue, and hands stay soft even after washing them. Getting a recommendation from a dermatologist was a real vote of confidence for the product. A little dab goes a long way, so the value is much better than products that much be leathered on to have any effect. The lotion itself is nice, doesn't smell, which is good for sensitive skin and better for your skin anyways. It's not a total cure, but it gave me back the confidence to wear sleeveless shirts again. If you don't mind the cost and having a heavy film on your skin, then this is a great product. All the dry bumps and dry spots are gone or minimized, non-greasy and odorless. CeraVe's Renewing Solution contains AHA's Lactic and Viz Salicylic to exfoliate dry and rough skin from all angles, and is not only less expensive than competing brands but has virtually no smell, along with being very thick and moisturizing, perfect for colder months. As far as moisturizing, it definitely keeps your skin wet and holds the moisture in. If you're like me, you're one of those girls who has looked at those flawless smooth legs of other girls wondering why you've got those odd dots all over your legs. Facial moisturizers always end up being a waste of time and money for me, as they are never enough moisture. You need to give it a little time, a week or so. Worked also on dry and itching areas. It took about 3-4 weeks, but in combination with exfoliating 3x a week, it's greatly decreased the bumps. But if you are anything like me, it is definitely worth a shot. Good luck. It's not greasy, feels good on the skin, and it's very economical for such a good product. Upon application, the healing action could be clearly sensed, and after a week the renewal could be verified. Greatly diminishes little bumps on arms and helps a lot with preventing ingrown hairs along thigh line. This was recommended by the dermatologist as especially helpful for people who live in dry climates. A little goes a long way, and you do not want a tacky feel to your skin, do you? It took a little practice to find the right amount. Too much and it feels sticky, especially if you have rain nose or any skin conditions where you need to keep your skin moisturized and protected. So far, wake up with skin only a bit less oily, no pools of oil by nose, but no zits. They either sort of work or take too long to show results, or don't show enough results. Good and comparable to Paula's Choice Tube Lotion, but not as effective as Tube Liquid. If you have oily skin or blemishes, make sure to dry off in the morning. As moisturizing as it is, it can feel oily after several hours or a night's sleep. It makes our skin feel soft and hydrated, but it's not heavy or greasy. The bumps were not as big, and her skin is finally becoming smoother every day. It hasn't exactly made it go away, but it's a light, nice cream that even boys won't mind putting on their face, arms and legs. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.